boy. Hey, good boy. Wait, what's that? Timmy's stuck in a well and we have to go rescue him? Oh, it's Titanium Tuesday. Let's go. Perfect curtain rod, perfect curtain rod, oh, there's my bad boy, woo! Okay, the wifey said, I got an amazing blackout curtain, I need a rod. So what we're gonna do today is, we're gonna make a beautifully simple curtain rod to hang up this bad boy so we can sleep all winter like hibernating bears. We're gonna use all sorts of tools in the workshop. You're gonna learn all sorts of stuff you could do in your own workshop, or certainly if you ever come here to our workshop in San Miguel. So come with us, I'll see you on the other side. Come on, where are you? I need another one. Yep, there we go, perfect. Okay, now, I got my 2 attachment wall pieces, okay? These are beautiful little cut pieces. These are the positive space. Usually we collect the negative space. I'm gonna talk to you guys more about that later. I got my wall attachment pieces, I got my tube. What do I need to make this thing happen? I'm gonna need 6 tools to make this bad boy project occur, okay? 1, the grinder. 2, the plasma cutter. 3, the chop saw. 4, my favorite Miller MIG, the 1500. 5, the drill press. And 6, my mitts. All right, my little maniacs, so here's the deal, okay? I gotta make some holes in these wall attachments so that we can connect them to the wall. Now, what am I going to use to do that? I am going to use the amazing, illustrious drill press. The cool thing that we have, that not a lot of people have, is we have these amazing stepped bits. So I'm going to show you some. Usually, a bit is the same width the entire length of the bit. But that's awesome for all other applications, but not metal, because metal hates being manipulated, so it resists, okay? So what we do is use these awesome little pilot bits, and they're called step bits. It has a smaller bit piece right on the end, and then it graduates to a larger width. So the metal goes, oh, I've already got a hole in me, well, let's just drill a bigger one. Saves your ass so much time. We have about 5 drill presses around here. That's because we say we're lazy, we don't like changing our bits out. It's kind of true. So here's what we're gonna do. First things first, I'm going to make holes in my wall attachments, okay? Then I'm gonna cut my anchors to go onto those wall attachments that my pipe's actually gonna sit on. I'm gonna plasma cut the tube. After I chop saw it, I'm gonna put it all together and it's gonna be a beautiful finished piece. So come with me, let's do it. Okay, so about midway through the project, here's what we did. Did a nice little bead around here, cute little bead. You can check that out right there. Just going fast, making mistakes, having fun. What happens is we plasma cut out the top of this. Quick, easy job. Could have done it with a cut wheel, but plasma cutter, I actually like the effect of this. It burnishes the metal a little bit, changes the color. Then we've got probably about a 10 gauge steel that we fastened a 1.5 inch tube, hollow tube to. And now we're gonna keep on cutting and rocking, and eventually these two are gonna go on the wall, and the more narrow, longer tube is gonna sit inside of them. Then the curtains will be able to easily be opened and closed. Okay. So now we are doing the final little part of our project, install. Got my little awesome anchors here. Gonna put these bad boys right in the old wall. We got Cantera stone we're going into. Then I'm gonna take this bad, beautiful application piece that I made, of course, gonna put it right on the wall, a couple of screws in, and then we're done. We get to hang our rod. Woo! Yeah, baby. Woo, look at that. Perfection. Okay, guys, awesome project. Another one in the books. This thing turned out perfectly. The dimensions are perfect. The planning was perfect. The execution was perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We're going to be dropping these little things every Tuesday, every Friday, all over the planet. So I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe. Tell us what you want to see in the next Titanium Tuesday, and we'll see you soon at the Van Doren Metal Art Workshop. We're going to draw the curtain on this bad boy, so I'm going to go. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.